Vybz Kartel, fucking snitch. I mean, he was texting like a motherfucker on his BlackBerry. Did you see the text messages? The whole shit collapsed because of his dumb ass. He's texting motherfuckers. These niggas out here are texting like crazy, not realizing that the text messages, they don't own them. He's a stupid nigga. One of the stupidest motherfuckers to ever walk the planet. He's an embarrassment to dancehall. I got no respect for Vybz Kartel. It's this new generation of fuckboys. That's some fuckboy shit. What are you filming? Yourself and other niggas talking about dismembering somebody. And he's now working with the authorities to take guns off of the streets. I think he's taken 17 or 18 guns off the streets of Portmore. I don't text too many cats, man. Especially if I'm beef with a motherfucker, nigga. A whole lot of slick shit gets said in text messages, but you know, his thing is he's just fucking stupid. But my generation, with regards to Vybz Kartel, we say the old standard West Indian reply, which is gunshot.